media in the whiteboard app on the ActivPanel 6. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on our pink bubble and I'm going to go into my whiteboard app by clicking on the blue whiteboard icon. On the whiteboard app, I can able to use my pen to write certain things down. It's 20-point touch. I can use my finger as well. Want to get rid of it? I get rid of it with my rub out button there. I'm going to build a wee lesson on the Amazon rainforest, a very popular topic in Key Stage 2. So I'm going to write down something to do with the rainforests here. And like a lot of lessons, we're going to use a mind map. So in our clip art, we're going to click on here. We've lots of clip art to choose from. I'm going to choose this mind map here. I'm going to click on it. I just tap on it. It'll appear there. You'll notice my rainforest disappeared. It's actually just behind the image. So to make it smaller, the same way I would on a tablet, I just pinch and zoom to make it smaller. So I'm going to shrink just to about here. And we're going to specifically look at the Amazon. Then we can talk about lots of things. We get feedback from the children. We talk about trees. We can talk about birds, specifically parrots for this. We can talk about water. We can even talk about the various layers that are in the rainforest. Now what's nice about the whiteboard app is I'm able to zoom out, just over here, zoom out and move around. This is an infinity canvas. It goes in all different directions, left, right, up and down, and I can pinch and zoom at any point and go back into my lesson. So we're going to look at the parrots here. We're going to quarter this part off, and we're going to go down just to here. I'm going to integrate YouTube, so I'm going to go to my menu, my home button. I'm going to go into YouTube. Okay, I've also opened the video up here earlier. I'm going to play a video, and we can have a bit of discussion on what that video is showing. When I get to the point where I'm ready, here, I want to use this now, so I'm going to click on a pink bubble again and use my orange screen grab button. That'll save me capture whatever's on the screen at the time and put it straight into my whiteboard app. So I'm going to shrink this down, I'm going to put it into my power, you can tilt it at a little bit of a jaunty angle there. I could label this if I want, okay? I can give the colours, we can give some various adjectives, we can label the actual word itself, okay? We can get to say something, and we can think of different lessons to go around. And what I can do is I can zoom out and go over to somewhere like trees here. We can then zoom back in, okay, and work on the trees section. And for this, we're going to do a bit of maths. So we're going to change our background into some grids. Okay, we're going to do a bit of a sun. We're going to do. There is the 3 meters is the height of a tree, and there's 20 trees. We're going to work out the answer. Now, if I don't want to work out the answer myself, I'm being very lazy, I'm going to use another app. So I'm going to my home menu, and I'm going to use an app called My Script Calculator. So I was using 3.10 times 20, and we can obviously work this out in class, but to check myself, this will work out the answer for me. I can use my screen grab again to put it into my whiteboard app. I can use my arrow, make it smaller, and I can have my answers just in here. Okay? There are obviously hundreds upon thousands of apps from the App Store I can integrate in. This is just a very short example.